Hello, welcome to another exciting evening of Chop It Up. I am ROXX-A-MILLIon. Thoughts become things, so let's just choose good ones. The drink of tonight is Riesling again. I'm not drinking by myself, y'all, so I got company. And that's what I'm sipping on. Y'all know where I'm at. I'm in the kitchen. And what I'm about to do, I'm about to make shrimp Alfredo with homemade Alfredo sauce. And I want y'all to join me. And I was thinking, I said, I hope y'all don't need China too bad. Because I don't think China playing with us no more, y'all. Everything we get, everything we got, we depend on China a lot. Which is not a good thing. But anyway, that means that we're going to have to be innovative and figure this out. But what we're finna figure out right now is how to get these pots smoking. So let's get that started. Okay, y'all, so in the bowl I have washed some large shrimp, peeled the vein tails off. And to that I'm going to add some Everglades seasoning, some black pepper, minced onion, garlic powder, parsley, and some Old Bay. And I'm gonna put my garlic in here and some garlic paste as well. And I'm gonna mix it up. In my hot frying pan here, I have some olive oil and a stick of unsalted butter. And we're going to add the shrimp I just seasoned. Oh. I'm going to let that saute in here. And I have some water back there. I am going to add some salt to the water and put the noodles in. To the boiling salted water, I will be adding my linguine noodles. That's what I'm going to use to make the Alfredo noodles. Alfredo noodles are a little too thick for my taste. But I think these hold up very well with the sauce. They're just thick enough. And this time, these are Barilla noodles. Y'all can use whatever noodles you want to. Barilla linguine noodles. And I'm going to put the lid on this and let this go ahead and simmer down for a while. The shrimp are cooking. They are cooking and they're looking very tasty right now. I have a couple of them. They're still a little gray and not all of them are pink yet. But I'm about to start building the sauce. The noodles are back here rumbling. They almost ready. And I'm going to drain those. And then I have the frozen broccoli back there. And I'm going to put my little concoction on that, which is the butter and the Goya seasoning mix. So I'm gonna give this a few more minutes and I'm gonna start making the Alfredo sauce. Okay, so I'm about to strain these noodles. Is Donnelly? Okay. Yeah, I'm straining the noodles. Lord done tested it. It's al dente to her taste. And like I told y'all, I always use something to catch the pasta water, because pasta water is also used to thicken it as well as keep the noodles from sticking. So they're done, and now I'm going to start building the Alfredo sauce. Okay, so that's this ready. I'm going to turn it down and put it on simmer. I'm using a stick of butter to put in there. I normally cook fresh, but the fresh broccoli didn't look too good. I don't know that broccoli was coming from China, y'all, because it didn't look too good. Even at Publix, so I ended up getting Green Giant frozen. And I am about to, my go-to, that salad, Goya vegetable seasoning, has a phenomenal flavor to it. And that's what I use with my vegetables. And it's not high in sodium, and it has a very good flavor to it. So I'm going to let those steam. Alright, y'all, so I dropped the temperature to simmer, and I'm adding in a pint of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to need all this to keep those noodles nice and saturated and flavorful. And now I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Bring it to a low rumble, and then at that point I will start shredding in my Parmesan. It like it's about to do it now, doesn't it? Okay, let me get this shredded. Right now? Oh, okay. So I have here a slice of a block of egg Parmesan, and I'm gonna start shredding it into the shrimp and heavy whipping cream. This should give it bring in the thickness. If not, I'm gonna add cornstarch to get the thickening that I desire. But I like to use real Parmesan and not that wood. I might need the whole thing. Start melting down in here. Yeah, since it's so much pasta, I'm going to go ahead and do the whole block. It's great or dangerous, y'all. You have to be careful. It'll grate you. Meat and gloves and all. That blade serious. All right. Now I'm going to let this simmer a little bit, and I'll bring y'all back to see. Let's see how thick it get before we have to add a thickening agent to it. Okay, so I want this a little thicker, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. I want it to stick to the noodles a little more, because if you see, it's too loose for me, for my taste. could have put it in water, but I didn't want to put it in water because there's enough liquid in here already. Just got to keep pushing it down and stirring it so it don't have lumps in it. But it should start thickening up pretty soon. What I'm doing is pushing the little lumps to the side and working them out. I'm gonna let this rumble a little while, and I'm gonna pour these noodles in the pot to start building this. Noodles in here, I'm gonna pour a little bit of this pasta water because it's a little hard to maneuver right now like that. And once you put the pasta water in it, it make it easy to start moving them. They nice and tender and loose. Add a little bit more pasta water to it. And then to this, I'm gonna add the shrimp. All right, y'all. So I'm about to add the Alfredo sauce to the noodles. There it is. And the noodles will drink up a lot of this liquid. Trust me. Y'all will see how it start absorbing to it. I think we got a winner here. See how these shrimp look like little knots? My family don't like to take the tails off. But if, this is one tidbit if y'all don't know. With the tail left on, the shrimp won't ball up so much. That's why I bought so many of them. Because I knew they was going to do this. And I want them all the way throughout the dish. So that's my preference. To have the tail on so to be bigger. But my family don't like it like that. So I have to make everybody happy. And majority rules. Okay, y'all. So we're going to let this simmer together a little bit. And get it going. And I'll see y'all back in a little bit. Winner, winner. Shrimp Alfredo dinner. That looks good, y'all. Good. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to plate this thing. That's right here. That's right. Plating time. All right, y'all. So it's time. It's about that time. You know what time it is. It's that tasting time. And I brought another member of the family. You know, I got a Crystal. Normally I don't use Crystal, but I love Crystal shrimp Alfredo. I let it cool down some. And I'm gonna get into it. And y'all look at my nails, y'all. They raggedy. I gotta get them done. I got an appointment tomorrow. I ain't even gotta say it. I ain't even gotta say it. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. This thing banging. That sauce just wrapping around these noodles. I'm gonna eat a little piece of broccoli. This broccoli smoking. Frozen never tasted better. That's good. So I'm finna bring y'all along on a journey. I'm gonna be doing something really drastic. Really drastic. Y'all put in the comments if y'all think y'all know what it is. But I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe so we can get to 100 subscribers. And one day I hope we'll say hundreds of thousands of subscribers, because that's how long I'm gonna be doing this. I'm man for the long haul. Chop it up is what it's gonna be. A household word, a household phrase. Because we're gonna continue to bring good dishes and good conversation. Look at them. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I'm gonna eat that. It's good. But anyway, so I can do like I do know the better. I wish each and every one of y'all good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. And figure out what I'm gonna be doing, because I'm gonna bring y'all along, but I'm doing something really, it's a drastic change. It's something huge. And let me have the business with this plate, y'all. See y'all next time.